students, hope you all are fit and fine, studying at home, obeying to your parents and going through the videos. My dear, it is very important to go through your videos because we are putting much effort to make these videos, my dear. First we are preparing slides, then videos. So go through, then our efforts will work. Okay, so if you have respect for us, go through these videos and this will help you to solve all your questions. Now here are some clues, okay, and you have to read these clues and write the answer. We use this to go up and down in the building. And what is this? What you use to go up and down? Stairs, isn't it? And stairs are always used in plural because you will see many stairs going from up to down, down to up. So this word we use in plural. Next, here are two pictures. Okay, see, we use this with our mobiles, and what we use? This earphones. Okay, we see it in the sky after sunset. Stars. And these words are also used in plural. Why? Because they see something are always used in plural. Like earphone. This is having, wait, I am erasing it. Two identical part for both the ears. Two identical part. That's why it is always used in plural. Right now you will see I am using earphones. And this is having two parts in both the ears. That's why it is always used in plural. And we see it in the sky after sunset. You can't see a single star, my dear, because in the sky there are many stars, so many stars. Only the thing is we can't see at the daytime because of bright sun. Sun is in the sky, it is so bright that in the light of the sun we can't see. And as soon as the sun sets, the sky is dark and we can see the stars twinkling. And stars is always used, written in plural form. Now see, dark glasses to protect the eyes, and you will see goggles. In goggles we don't write goggle, we write goggles because these things are having two identical parts. They are not alone. That's why they are written goggles. It is written goggles. Now we deposit it in the bank, and what we deposit? Whatever we earn, my dear, in month. First we do the expenditure. It is our fooding, lodging, rent, education, medical, and then whatever is left over, we deposit in the bank, and it is our savings. In savings, we don't go to deposit 1 rupee, more than one. That's why it is written savings. We use this to cut paper or cloth, and it is scissors. There is no place that I can write, but it is scissors, my dear. And scissors are having two identical. I will show you the picture and I will explain now. See here. This goggles, one part, two part. And why we use it? We use it in summer when it is too hot, too bright. When the sun is too bright, it is very difficult for us to walk in the sunshine. Then, and if we use goggles, what happens? In front of our eyes, it becomes a little cool, little nice feeling, and then we are able to walk very smoothly. Now I am showing you the next picture, and this is the picture of money. We don't take 1 rupee, we take our savings. It is not this much, but whatever. It is in multiple numbers. Okay, so we deposit in the bank our savings. Next is scissors. See here, scissor is also having two identical parts, 1, 2. Here also if you will see 1, 2. When these two parts cross, then only we are able to cut the cloth or paper, whatever it is. So these things are always written, always these words are used in plural number. What is the meaning of plural, my dear? Singular means one in number, and plural means more than one in number, means at least two it should be, isn't it? And they are having two identical parts, that's why it is used in plural number. Now here are some questions. Which monument is built in the commemoration of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers? And that is India Gate. And why was India Gate built, you know? India Gate was built in the memory of the soldiers who were killed in First World War. And Bangladesh Liberation War. Okay, and together that tomb was built to in their memory, in the memory of our soldiers who participated in both the wars. Now this is the picture of India Gate. It is also known as Indian Army's tomb. Later we will do that question also, my dear. Where is the India Gate located? And what is the answer? The India Gate is located in New Delhi. In the middle of the Delhi it is located, and in the evening time you will see people gather there. They do some fun, like it is like tourist or picnic spot also we can see. What is the another name of India Gate? And from here we will start the answer. The another name of India Gate, and then we will write is the Indian Army's tomb. Why it is called the Indian Army's tomb? Because 80,000, in the memory of 80,000 Indian Army, it was built. Why do animals make sound? Animals make sound to communicate with the fellow animals. Just like we make sound to communicate with each other, isn't it? In the class I speak with you, you speak with me, or with friends or with colleagues, whatever. We talk simply to communicate our feelings, our emotions, our words to our fellow man. Like that only animals also make some sound, like bird chirps, lion and tiger roars, some animal bleats, some animal trumpet. These are the different sounds of the animals, and they know that sound. They can identify their friends' sounds. Like we people also, some of us are speaking in Hindi, some in English, some in Urdu, some in the regional language also, Bhojpuri or Maghi. So these are the languages, and we who is communicating with each other, they understand. Like that only different animals are having different sounds, and they communicate, they make sounds to communicate with their fellow animals. Who was the founder of Indian National Army? And my dear, Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose was the founder of the Indian National Army. He was a freedom fighter. He believed in do or die, and he made one army to fight against the British government in the War of Independence. This is the picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was also given the nickname of Netaji. Wait. He was given the nickname of, usually before his name it is written Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Next is, which freedom fighter played a great role in the integration of 500 princely states of India? And it is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was also called as Iron Man. And in Hindi he was called Lawpurush Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which English meaning is Iron Man. Okay, because of his strong decision, he was called that time during the War of Independence. He was called Iron Man. I am showing the picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. See here, this is the picture of Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you, children. But first you will write CW and date. You will do your work in dark. Okay, dark you will write, because my dear, it is very difficult if you are writing lighter, it is very difficult to read. So you will write darker, so that when you click the picture should be clear. And after that, what you will do, you will make the PDF of all the subjects. Suppose today is GK, after that Hindi, after that English, after that science. You will click the pictures, 1 or 2 pages is of GK, that, then Hindi, then English, then science, and you will make one PDF, one child, one PDF, and you will send to your respective teachers this PDF. Okay, thank you. Hope you will do it very nicely. Have a nice day.